So to do an RCD test, I've already got my socket tester in, as I have MCBs with an RCD that I can use in order to test the RCD. I've got to do half times on both sides of the cycle, 0 and 180 degrees, and the same for 1 times. So I've plugged in, I'm going to set my tester to half times, and it's already on 30 milliamps because that's what this RCD is rated to. I'll then turn on my RCD and turn on the appropriate circuit in order to get the voltage through. And it will now test for me at 0 degrees, and that's not tripped, which is what we want. I'll now change it to 180 degrees and then press test, and it still shouldn't trip. So that's exactly what we want. So now I'm going to change it to 1 times. Now, as soon as I change it to 1 times, it should test and it should trip within 300 milliseconds. So that's now tripped, and it's tripped in 37.4 milliseconds, which would be acceptable. And now on my tester, change it to 180 degrees again and turn the RCD back on, and then let it test again, and that's tripped in 27.4 milliseconds. So the reading we would record is the higher reading of the two, so that was the previous reading to this. I'll now turn this off and I'll do a functional test of the RCD, which is simply to turn on the RCD and press this test button, which now proves its operation.